calling me out like the first day. This ain't no first aid. Yeah, you making me new today. Brand new, straight from the fountain of wealth. I put my gift in your hand.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another one of my videos. So for today's video, as you guys can see from the title, I'm going to be doing a natural hair video. I just took my hair out of some braids and I washed it and did a perm mod set, and these were like probably like the 4th day results. As you can see, the curls are gone and my hair is looking a little nappy, so we gotta like redo it and recurl it. So we're gonna get right into the video. If you guys are new here, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. If you guys enjoyed this video and if you want to see more from me, then definitely hit that subscribe button, guys. What are you doing? Hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna be using my Tymo, I think that's what it's called, TYMO. It's like a blow drying comb. It doesn't make noise like a blow dryer, so I'm guessing it's like a flat iron blow dryer. I don't even know what to call it, but it has these combs in it and it makes it kind of easier for you to go through your hair. Take a rat tail comb just to comb out a section. And my hair does have product in it still from like the style that I just did, but I just don't want to wash my hair like too much, because I heard like washing your hair too much is bad for natural hair too, so I don't want to wash it too much. So this is the heat protectant that I'm currently using. This is just all I have right now. I use the Chi. There's probably other ones that are better for 4C natural hair, but this is just what I have at the moment. I like using this type of comb for my natural hair because it has it's very flexible and it has multiple teeth, as you guys can see, so it makes it easier to like comb through my hair. I start at the ends and I make my way to the roots, because that's the best way to comb out this type of hair texture. If you guys got 4C hair, then you know the struggle. You do not comb your hair any other way but that way. I'm thinking of doing like a style after this. I want to do that style that is pretty popular right now, where you have like the braids in front and then the curly hair in the back. I really want to try that style, but I want to try to do it on my own to save some coins. And I was thinking of recording it, so let me know down in the comments if you guys want to see that video of me doing that, because I want to do more styles where like I'm actually saving money, because this economy right now, I cannot be spending $300-400 on getting my hair done. Like, it's just not realistic. Like, and I need to start saving my money better and being the adult that I am, you know. So if I see other people who have money not even spending money on getting their hair done, then why am I spending my money getting my hair done? Like, when I could literally just do it at home. And I feel like when you do your hair at home, it low-key looks better. Like, it low-key looks better because it's not too perfect. It still has that like not too perfect look to it, which is actually cute. So when I wear my natural hair out, I get so much compliments. Like, people love when I wear my natural hair out because I feel like they don't see it often. Like, they don't see people wear their natural hair out anymore. Like, a lot of black girls, like, I rarely see a lot of black girls wearing their natural hair out. It's always like weave, braids. It's never like rocking an actual afro, you know? And even if it is like natural, it's normally straight. It's like nobody wears like their natural like curly hair, like, or show like the afro at least, like, you know, show that thick afro-ness, you know? And I feel like I really be doing one for the culture by doing this, because like I need people to see that, you know, I can switch it up. I can switch it up. Like I could wear my natural hair, I could wear weave, I could wear braids. Like which one do you want? I could do it all. But no, I got a lot of length. Okay, them braids did it for me. All right guys, hair is all semi-blow dried from the little blow dryer that I used. This is the back. The back is always going to be struggling because it's the back of my hair, you know. If you have natural hair, you know the struggle. So things that I'm going to be using for this twist out is this Pattern leave-in conditioner, Eco Styler gel. This is the olive oil one. I'll be using the Nairobi foam. The curls to fall down into my face, so I'm going to start by parting a line in the middle, and I'm going to start my twist outs going down like this. Like this away. Because I'm going to show you guys how I do the first one, all right? So this is going to be the first one right here. So we're going to take our, you know what, actually I'm going to put the leave-in conditioner all over my hair first, because there's not even a lot left. Like this junk is almost done. I'm going to take this much and put it all over my hair first. Okay, so I'm going to put some on there, all over my hair. Okay. So the leave-in conditioner is in, so I don't have to worry about applying that over and over again. It's really just going to be the mousse and the Eco Styler gel. I'm going to take some mousse. I don't know how much, just a good amount of mousse. I put like 2 pumps. And then we're going to take some Eco Styler gel, just a little bit. And just focus more so on the ends with the Eco Styler gel. You can do the whole thing, but just focus more on the ends, okay? And then we're gonna start from the end. And we're literally just taking 2 strands. 2 strands and twisting it while getting another strand. So hopefully you guys can see. Twisting it while getting another strand. So we're twisting it, moving that one up and getting another strand. Moving that one up and getting another strand. Moving that one up, getting another strand. And we're just making like a little flat twist, but we're making sure that each one has its own separate section, if that makes sense. So we're not literally like flat twisting it, but we're like making sure that each section has a part. I don't even know how to explain it, but you guys see what I mean, kind of. Then I'm gonna take one of these perm rods and I'm just going to finish off that twist with a perm rod. And this is going to be the first one. Ooh, it's gonna be so cute, y'all. It's gonna be so cute. Okay, I'm gonna try to show you guys again. I'm literally not even looking at the camera or the mirror. I'm just trying to show you guys how I do it. So I literally just twist it. It's like you're doing a braid, but it's actually just 2 strands. So this is what we call a 2-strand twist. And this definitely comes with practice, guys. Like, I did not get this overnight, to be honest. It definitely comes with practice. You gotta watch a couple of these videos in order to really get it. Adding the gel on. Another one. And you're gonna wanna twist the ends first and then bring it upward. So make sure you're twisting the ends first and making sure that it's really sealed before you twist it all the way up. All right, so we're gonna do another one. Alright guys, so this is the next day and I'm doing a voiceover because I didn't feel like talking the next day. I had to be out the door. So this is the takedown. I'm getting a little bit of oil on my fingertips. This is essential to really prevent your curls from frizzing or your hair from frizzing. So it's good to have your fingers oiled up. It can be any type of oil. This is like an oil mixture that I use for my hair. It has all different types of oils in it: argan oil, castor oil, coconut oil, every type of oil in it. And I just mixed it together, and that's my oil that I use in my hair. So I'm just taking that on my fingertips and just gently unraveling the flat twist. And as you guys can see, it's looking cute. Okay, so yeah, you want to just do this all over your hair, and then you guys are gonna see what I do next. Alright, so once I'm done taking out the twist, I take an afro comb and I'm just teasing the roots of my hair just to give my hair a little bit of length, because with natural hair you get a lot of shrinkage, so I just need as much length as I can get from this style. So I'm just stretching out my roots so that it can really look like a little afro and a little puffier. So as you guys can see, it grew like 2 times bigger than how it was before. So yeah, you just want to tease it out until it's your desired look. And then right now I'm just taking my edge brush and I'm just separating the areas that I want my edges to lay. So I usually put like one swoop on the left hand side and one swoop on the other side, the right side. And then I also put a little swoop in the middle depending on how I'm feeling. So yeah, I use Eco Styler gel for my edges. It works for me, to be honest. Like, I love the Eco Styler gel. I usually just put it on my edges and I just lay a scarf on it, like lay a scarf down for like 15 minutes, and it'd be good. Like, I'd be good for like the day, to be honest. Well, the majority of the day. So yeah, that's what works for me. So yeah, I'm just laying down my edges, making sure that it looks the way that I need it to look. Super cute. I love it. So yeah, guys, that's it. I'm not gonna hold you up any longer. I hope you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial, and if you did, definitely like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.
No, yeah, took me from rags to riches, took me from rags to riches.